Yes. All right, here we go. It's called When It Rains. The side of town, it touches everything. Just say it again and mean it. Oh, you don't miss a thing. You made yourself a bed at the bottom of the blackest hole and convince yourself that it's not the reason you don't see the sun anymore. Could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. No, oh, I need the ending, so why can't you stay just long enough to explain? Does that feel good, you guys? And when it rains, will you always find an escape? Just running away from all of the ones who loved you, from everything. You made yourself a bed at the bottom of the blackest hole, and you sleep tonight. You'll say that you don't wanna see the sun anymore, and no, oh, how could you do it? Just long enough to take your time and take my time and take these chances to turn it around and take these chances to make it somehow and take these chances to turn it. Just turn it around. How could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. No, oh, how could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. No, oh, how could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. Take your time and take my time. Thank you.